channel, the Dino Potter Kid, and today I am going to be showing you how to make an origami fighter jet. So let's get started. As all you need for this is a sheet of A4 size paper. So first of all, you need to fold this sheet of paper in half, just like that. There you go. Just like you would start any normal airplane. So there we go. Now we have a line in the middle. Now we have to do this just like an airplane. Just fold these two right there, like that. There we go. Now what you need to do is this is similar to making a dragon claw, if you remember that video. This is similar to making that. Now what you need to do is fold this just like that, and fold this once again just like that. Make sure the nib of, or the point, or whatever you call it, is straight. Now we have this shape, and now what you need to do is fold this in half just like that, and then just make the wing folds like that and like that. There we go. And there is our Dragon Claw fighter jet airplane. Paper do is just fold it back to the wing folds and just fold this just like that, this wing fold, and make it like a crease or something, and that looks pretty cool to me. So yeah, I do that. And now you can just like make it flat like that, make it flat like that, open the plane up, and there it is, your awesome Dragon Claw fighter jet plane. There you go. It looks pretty cool. And now let's roll out to the outro. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends, and goodbye.